Coop Deville, the Cadillac of chicken coops. I hope you enjoy taking a quick look at this coop. The coop has been designed to be portable, although it could be stationary. It does not take up a lot of space, it is convenient and a lot of fun. Your chickens will love it, and it will make caring for them easier and more rewarding. The innovative design is compact, yet it can accommodate 4 to 6 chickens, depending on breed. There is additionally a door that will allow your chickens to free range in your yard if desired. It is easy to clean out, with large access doors at the back. I have created a complete set of plans allowing just about anyone to build this. It's a great family project and a big step towards self-reliance. There's nothing like fresh eggs. Please visit our website at coopdeville.com. You can email me from there as well if you have any questions. Thanks again.